So in the previous video, we learned about different basic properties of circle, and this one will solve some sample problems which involves with the basic properties. So the properties which we have learned, one is area. Area of a circle equals to pi r square. So let's first write which is r in this circle. So let's say r is the center. So O is the center, and this is the radius. So this becomes r. And what else we have learned? The circumference equals to 2 pi r. Now what we have here is that we are again given circumference as 88 square centimeter. We have to find the area. So let's put the formula into use. So the way to solve this problem is that we have given a circumference. So from that we can find r and use that r to calculate the area. I mean, this is a little bit not direct. I mean, one very standard problem is you are given the radius r and then you are asked to find out the area. So which is a very straightforward. So let's solve the problem. 2 pi r, which is the circumference, equal to 88. So r equal to 88 by 2 times pi. So 88. Now what is pi? Now pi, I said pi could be as 3.14 or 22 by 7. So depending on which situation it is, you can use either of them. Now what it looks like is 88, since it is divisible by 22, it may make sense to use 22 by 7. So this is something you have to determine based on what numbers are given. So in this particular case, okay, I did a mistake here. In r is 82 by 2 and pi should be underneath. So 88 2 pi, so equal to 88 2 times 22 by 7. So 7 goes up. So now 24 2. So r becomes 2 times 7 is 14. So let's use this value of r to calculate the area. So area is pi, again is 22 by 7 times 14 times 14. So again, I would like you to note that, see, we have used 22 by 7 value for pi only because it is we have 14 or the multiples of 7 as the radius. So 7 times 2 is 14, so we have 22 times 2 times 14. So the answer, let me use the calculator to calculate it. So the value is 616 square centimeter. So the area is 616 square centimeter. So just quickly recap the problem. We were given the circumference and we are asked to find out the area. So the way we did it is that we found out first the value of r from the circumference and used the value of the r to calculate the area. And other thing to note is that depending on what numbers you have, you may wish to use 22 by 7 sometimes instead of 3.14. So for example, if the radius, let's say, is 10 or the multiple of 10, then it may make sense more to use pi equals to 3.14. But here we use 22 by 7 because we saw that the circumference is a number which is divisible by 22. Thank you.